Hey everybody, welcome to Cowboy Leather and Shoe Repair. Today we're going to do a pair of loafers the customer brought in. They need to be half soled and have some new heels put on them. So let me set you down here and we'll get right on it. Find a good spot here. Alright. So anyways, customer brought these in. Nice looking. The uppers are great. What I've done here is I've laid out already, ground the threads, marked where the new half sole is going to be. Now, he's got these on both shoes, he's got these wore down, they're starting to separate. And what I tell people is don't get into the leather or the plastic up here. When it gets real thin right here, I don't know if you can see it, but it's to the point where they need to be replaced. And we'll set this one aside here. Alright, I've already peeled off the old sole, prepped the shoe, and I'll take the heel off. We're going to go ahead and put some decent heels on these. These are original, what I call original equipment. See, they just pop off. From the looks of it, he had it replaced some other time. Now, what I do, like I say, I grind this. Now, I'm not going to put cork back in here. I've got, let me show you here what we got. These are cloud material. I find that these are a lot nicer. They give you a little bit more cushion. And the guy I learned how to do shoe repair from, that's what he would use. He wouldn't use cork. So anyways, like I said, the thread's been pulled out of here, and we'll set this one aside, and we'll peel the heel and sole off of this one. I like when they peel off like that. Makes life a whole lot easier. Now, I find if you get the threads cut, it's pretty much real quick to just pop these off. All right. Now, take my knife, just trim this back just a little bit more. I didn't give myself enough room for. Take the knife. I like to give myself a little bit of, I don't cut the whole. You know, different people have different preferences. Alright, see how the cork is gone? Like I said, I leave a little bit here. That way when I put my nails and my stitching in, it gives something here. A lot of times they'll cut them off like real short. And when the shoe flexes, it pulls on that. And these are pretty good. I gave him the option of having half soles or full soles, and he said, well, if this part of the sole here is still good, he said, let's just put some half soles on. So let me go grind this and prep it, and we'll be right back. All right, we've got everything laid out. Got all my stuff prepped. this in there. Now I've already gone ahead and skived the edge, rough this up. Now what I do is what I was taught is where that skive and where I'm going to seam it in here, I've cut a little bit of a groove. It helps us lay down better, and also when you go to finish it out, you don't have to grind as much. One. Now we'll take it over here to the machine and clench the sole down. Now I don't cut them and trim them right away. I kind of let it sit and just harden up just a little bit more. You can go ahead and clench it and trim it and do all that sort of stuff if you want, but I'll leave it sit for a little bit. It's just the way I was showed back years ago. Now some people, they'll get all fancy and they'll cut grooves in here and stitching grooves and everything else. That's the big guys. I'm a little guy. There. We'll just let these sit for a few minutes. Don't mind the high intensity light. You need light in the shop to see what you're doing. And I'm working right over top. There's a light right above me. So, like I said, we'll let this sit for a while and just let them harden up a little bit more. And then I'll go ahead and set up on the sewing machine and show you how we stitch them. Alright, let me put you on hold for a few. Cut the excess string off. Alright, we've finished up the Allen Edmonds shoes. Shine on. New heels. New soles. Now, we're done. Call a customer and have them come get them. That's basically all there is to it. I just want to let everybody know, yeah, the lighting may not be as good as some people, but this is a one and done video. I don't edit my videos. What you see is what I do and where I am. Maybe sometimes a light, like that light right there, kind of gives you a little bit of a washout. I'm sorry. I don't, the YouTube videos are not what pay my bills. It's the shoe repairs, and I just do this for somebody to talk to. But anyways, that'll do it for today. If you like the videos, and you want to see more, please subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up. Excuse me. Give me, comments. Just don't be snarky about it. I do the best I can with what I got to work with. Anyways, till the next time, thank you for stopping by Cowboy Leather and Shoe Repair. Bye.